So welcome back to my channel, lovely people. So today I'm going to do a Christmas inspired makeup tutorial for you today, and I'm going to show you a really quick hairstyle as well. So we're going to start off with the Bareskin Bareminerals concealer. So the way we're going to do our concealer is we're going to draw two triangles under our eyes, and this really helps give you really good coverage, and it does help you blend out your concealer quite well. So once we've done that, we're just going to blend it out and then move on to the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. So the shade of foundation I'm using today is 2W1 Dawn. So once I've dabbed it on my brush, I'm just going to dab it across my face and just make sure I've got a fairly even coverage. So for the highlighter, we're going to use a Statement Skin highlighting crayon, and I'm going to use this on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose and just above my lips. You can use any highlighter you want, it doesn't have to be this exact one. So using eyeliner is tricky at times, so the way I do it is I draw a line across as I've done here and just move inwards. So I'm going to do it again on the other eye. So I'm going to draw a line towards the outside, and then I'm just going to follow that in towards my inner corner eye, and it just helps you reach a smoother line and it avoids you pulling your eyelids, which you don't want to do. So moving on to mascara, I'm using the Revlon All-in-One Ultimate Mascara. So once I've done that, I'm going to re-highlight my face because we can't get enough shimmer using the Clinique palette. So I'm just going to use a pink shade and just go over the highlight. So using the Knick Knack blush, I'm just going to give my cheeks a bit of a pink shade. So moving on to the fun part, the lips, we're going to use a NO7 Lip Liner. You can use any red lip liner, obviously, you don't have to use the NO7 one, but I'm going to fill in my lips as much as I can before using my lipstick. I'm going to use the Rouge Edition Velvet Lipstick. So this is in the shade 03. It's very red, but it is very pretty, so it is good for a Christmas look. So once we've done that, we're going to use our front cover palette. So the first shade we're going to use is Moonlight, and then we're going to move on to Tarn Green for the outer edges of my eye. So I've just dabbed on Twinkling Grape on the inside of my eye, just for a bit of base, and then I'm going to use Ginger Spice, which is a really cute name, on the inner corner of my eye, and I'm just going to blend this out so I've got a nice red to green glow on my eyelids. So unfortunately the camera isn't picking up too much colour, but it is a very bright colour. So once I've gone over my eyeliner, I'm just going to go and line my waterline with a white eyeliner. And I'm going to use a bit of a trick. I'm going to use the shade 07 of the same lipstick brand just to make my lips pop a bit more. So moving on to the hair, I'm going to use a really cute bow I bought a few years ago, but you can use anything you like. So I'm going to split my hair into two sections, and I'm just going to take these two sections and secure them at the back with this bow. So I'm just going to turn around to make sure you can see evenly what I've done. Ta-da! So once I've done this, this is pretty much me done. So this is my Christmas look. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please give me a like and a subscribe and a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.